Hi, first grade artists. Today our artwork is going to be inspired by the artist Wayne T. Bowd. Wayne T. Bowd is an American painter who painted a lot of art that has to do with desserts and hot dogs and cupcakes and ice cream. He is still alive. He's 100 years old. So today's artwork is going to be inspired by him. We are going to draw a bubblegum machine. I'm going to show you a picture of his artwork first, and then we're going to get started. Okay, so I have my paper and my pencil, and we're going to learn how to draw a bubblegum machine just like Wayne T. Bowd did in his paintings. I'm going to use crayons to color today, and I'm going to trace with a black marker, but let's get started on our drawing. First, we're going to draw towards the center of the paper a diagonal line going from top down like this, and on the other side like this. Okay, we're going to connect the bottom here. And underneath, I'm going to draw a line that comes out like this and down, and like this and down. Okay, and then I'm going to draw a big circle above, like this. Okay, you make any mistakes, you can erase it, it's okay. Underneath here, I'm just going to add another curved line, draw some lines in here. On the top, I'm going to draw a line that goes up on each side, diagonal, connect with here, and then an oval above that on the top. Okay? On the bottom, I'm going to draw a square here, and a square underneath. And inside here, I'm going to draw a circle on this one, and a circle here. And an oval here just would be where the quarter would go in, and you could turn it by putting an oval to look like a plus sign. Then underneath, I'm going to draw a curved line here, which is where your bubblegum will come out. Okay? So now, on the top of the circle, we're going to make it look like it's realistic, right? Bubblegum machines are see-through, plastic, or glass. So I'm going to draw a straight line and a curved line down like this, and I'm going to connect it with a curved line like this, so it looks like a highlight on the bubblegum machine. Inside, I'm just going to draw some circles to represent bubblegum balls. So you could fill up your machine if you want to. You could draw like I'm just going to do halfway. Try to make them somewhat close together, but you can make them maybe on top of each other. They should all be around the same size and somewhat near each other. And I'm just going to kind of end it in this level here. Okay, now the next step is to color. So I'm going to trace it over with a black marker, and I'll come back and show you before I'm ready to color. I'm also going to make my bubblegum machine look like it's on a table, so I'm going to draw a line here and a line on the other side. So now it looks like our bubblegum machine is on a table. So again, I'm going to start by taking my black marker and tracing over every line that I did. Or you can use a black crayon, whatever materials you have at home is fine. Trace over everything, nice and neat, nice and carefully. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm ready to color. I traced over with the black marker everything I drew, and now I'm going to start coloring. So first I'm going to start with my bubblegum, and I'm just going to color. I picked some colors that I have here, and I'm going to color the same colors just randomly around here. I'm using crayons today. And I'm just picking the different colors that I think that the bubblegum balls would be. Again, you can use whatever colors you like. Maybe all of your bubblegum is the same color. Try to be creative though to make them all different colors. And again, I don't have much colors to work with here, so try my best. trying to get from every color that I can. And remember, don't color anything in the background yet because our bubblegum jar is made of see-through material, so we have to make sure we keep that in mind. Okay, so I'm just about done with my bubblegum. I think I got, oh no, one here and one here. Okay, so my bubblegum machine is going to be red. So I'm going to color this part red. I think that's red, okay. I have this really big box of crayons with all these different colors in it, but they don't look that bright. They're very pale. So I'm gonna color this whole spot red. Markers will look really good. Again, if you have paint, that'll look good. Whatever materials you have, just work with that. Okay, and then I'm going to color inside of here. This is going to be gray. Again, you don't have to copy any of the colors that I'm using. You can do your own thing if you like. I'll make this gray too down here. Okay, and I'm gonna make this gray too. Again, you can color each section a different color. It's really up to you, whatever you'd like to do. And up here, I'm going to also color this red. And here. All right, so now this stays white. My table, I'm going to make blue. I'm just trying to color fast for the video because I don't know how to speed it up. So you're watching me color. So you know what? I'm going to finish up this table and my background and I'll be back. Okay, so I colored the rest of my table and my background, I chose orange. Notice, and again, the background is anything that's behind the main picture in your drawing. So the main picture is your bubblegum machine. The background is anything behind it, right? So I colored the background with the orange and all the empty spaces inside of the bubblegum machine. I also colored orange because it's see-through. I left the highlight here, white. And normally if we used pastel or some other type of material like that, we would put a little white mark in the corner to show highlight, but you can't really do it with crayon, so I just put a little line on each top corner with the black marker. Okay, so I can't wait to see what yours looks like. Please don't forget to send me a picture. Thanks, bye-bye.